Okay, we're going on a quick test drive here. The steering wheel's a little crooked, as you can see. You're gonna have your rattles and shakes. Brakes feel good. It sounds awesome with that LS3. All right, we're gonna do a visual condition report. Now we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Now this is an off-road vehicle, so I imagine a couple scuffs and scratches really is not a big deal, but we still want to go through and look at the overall condition. The tread on these tires look amazing. It's got an LS3 in it. This thing looks awesome. Very, very cool. Got the Method wheels. They're in really good condition. And then looking at the body here, this is vinyl wrapped silver and red. And so you're gonna have little scuffs, little scratches every once in a while. We got a gash right there. A couple little imperfections. You can see some wear on the top side on that wrap. Couple scratches on the side mirror. See some wear in this area. Not sure as far as what's underneath color wise. I think it's a black or maybe a matte black. We'll have that listed on the website and find out for sure. Little scratches every once in a while. And then you're gonna have rock impacts in this area. Looks like the weather stripping here is messed up and got ripped. It's good up there on the top side though. Little chips every once in a while, little scuffs and scratches. That wheel's in great condition. Tires are pretty much perfect. And looking at the front, typical little scuffs across the wrap. A couple spots where they have some sun damage. Little swirls here and there. Headlights look good. Got a crack right here. That headlight looks nice. Looks like we have a crack right there in the film possibly and in the plastic. I don't know how alignment's supposed to look on this body, but it is off a little bit. And looking under here, looks good. That area looks nice. You can see the alignment's off here too. All right, looking at the driver's side, little scuffs and scratches, typical imperfections here on that wrap. Some gashes here. Looking at that wheel, looks amazing. Tires are perfect. That all looks good. A couple little scuffs and scratches here. Typical scuffs in this area. Looks like we have a larger gash right there. And then we do have some stains on the wrap here, and it's yellowed. Looks like this weather stripping got ripped off as well, very similar to the other side. Little scuffs here and there. You can see the stickers coming off on that part. Then looking back here at the deck lid, little scuffs and scratches. The taillight looks good. Got the backup camera. That taillight looks good. Little scuffs here and there. This thing is so cool. All right, looking at the interior, it is a non-smoker. You can have little scuffs and scratches in this area. Otherwise, that panel looks good. Overall, the jam looks nice. You can see this is tore up and missing. Looking at the seat, you do have some wear. I don't see any rips or tears though. Overall, steering looks good. Got some small cracks on the edge there. Looks like we have a crack right there. And then looking here in the back seat. Overall looks really good. Looking at the door panel, a couple tiny scuffs, some little scratches in that area. Otherwise that looks good. Here in the jam, typical little scuffs and scratches. Couple frayed stitching there, a little bit here, couple stains, but otherwise that seat looks good. Got some scratches, a little bit of wear. That side looks good. Upper side of the dash looks nice. Got the roll bar. And then you still have a back seat. And you can see your spare tire back there. Then here in the engine bay, looks awesome. You can see the LS3 in here.